Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Envy Wigs YouTube channel. I'm Amber from the Envy Education team, and today we're going to talk about something that I absolutely love: the science and art of styling. When people first start wearing alternative hair, they often think it needs to be perfect right out of the box. And while Envy styles are absolutely designed to be wearable immediately, the truth is a little styling can take a wig from being beautiful to completely personalized. Now, there are some quick and easy things you can do to personalize your wig straight out of the box. From giving it a good shake, changing the part, using products meant for alternative hair, or even accessorizing. But one thing we really want to talk about today is our Envy 3-in-1 Airstyler. Now, we have a full YouTube video on the 3-in-1 Airstyler about tips, tricks, the tools, what you use them for. So today is a little refresher. This multi-tool can help you correct and customize your styles to make them truly your own. So let's talk about the science. In hand-tied wigs and hand-tied area of wigs, each individual hair is hand-tied to a material to make it look like natural hair growth. You'll see tiny knots if you look really close. These knots are incredibly important because they mimic natural hair growth and make the wig look extremely real. It looks like the hair is growing naturally right from your scalp. This construction allows the hair to move freely and gives you multi-directional parting ability. That means you can adjust the direction of the fibers, shift the part, and even change the way the hair falls around your face. This is a big reason why hand-tied wigs look so natural. But those hand-tied knots also mean that sometimes the fibers can fall in a direction that you don't want them to. And that's where styling comes in. So let's talk about the art of styling. One of my favorite tools to customize my alternative hair is the Envy 3-in-1 Airstyler. This tool was designed specifically for alternative hair, and it's even safe to use on your traditional synthetics. You can smooth, lift, redirect, and refresh fibers. And the best part, it's accomplished in a gentle and controlled way. Whether you're working on heat-friendly fibers, a blend, human hair, or traditional synthetic, you can use this tool for that. This tool will help you adjust and personalize your style. So let's talk about a few styling situations many wig wearers experience. First up, a face flopper. One of the most common questions I get is about bangs falling into the face. We jokingly call this a face flopper. This often happens because of the way the fibers were knotted during construction, or your wig may move in a certain direction because of the way it was styled or the way it was packaged. Good news is that fibers can be trained. With the Envy 3-in-1 Airstyler, you can gently lift at the root and redirect the fibers away from the face. By applying a little bit of controlled heat and guiding the fibers where you want them to lay, you can basically teach your wig to hold its new shape. Often, this small adjustment makes a huge difference on how the wig frames your face. Now let's talk about resetting the part. Another thing you may notice when you first open your wig is a zigzag part. Many wigs are packed this way to help protect the fibers during shipping. But with the hand-tied construction, you are not locked into that part. Using the Airstyler, you can smooth and retrain the fibers. This creates a more natural looking part wherever you prefer. This allows you to customize your style to better suit your face shape and your personal preference. Now let's talk about adding a root. Sometimes wigs can appear a little flat at the crown or roots, especially right out of the box. The Airstyler, specifically the volume round brush attachment, is great to add lift at the roots. By lifting fibers and applying gentle heat, you can add volume right where you want it. This is great to create a more natural silhouette and add movement to your style. Now let's get into smoothing permatease. Permatease is another feature you may see in wigs. It's there to help support the style and maintain volume. However, if you prefer a smoother look, the Airstyler can help you relax those fibers gently. It will help soften the volume while still maintaining that structure for your wig. Again, it's all about customization. Now, next up, let's discuss refreshing your older wigs. One of my favorite uses for the Airstyler is refreshing older styles that have lost their shape over time. You can redefine curls, remove frizz, and restore movement to your style. Sometimes a wig that looks and feels a little worn out just needs a styling refresh to bring it back to life. So now let's talk making the wig truly yours. The biggest takeaway that I want to leave with you today is this: wigs are designed to be styled. Understanding how knots work and how fibers respond to heat and direction allows you to transform your wig into something that fits your personal style perfectly. The combination of thoughtful wig construction and the right styling tools gives you so much flexibility and creativity when it comes to alternative hair. That's really where the art and science of styling comes together. Now, if you haven't tried the Envy 3-in-1 Airstyler, here's a view of what comes in the box. You have your tool and 3 amazing attachments: the styling wand, the oval smoothing brush, and the volume round brush. You can truly customize and correct your style to fit your personal needs and preferences. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and go subscribe to the Envy Wigs YouTube channel for more education, tips, and wig reviews. And if you have any styling questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments. We love hearing from our Envy community. We'll see you next time. Bye.